Hello, friends. Welcome to episode 11 of Stock Market Technical Analysis. I'm Aditya from Mostly Bearish. So, as of now, in the playlist Stock Market Technical Analysis, we have covered these topics. So, we have finished covering single candlestick patterns. This video is going to be about two candlestick patterns. So, today we are going to be talking about engulfment candlestick pattern. Okay, so this is made by two candles. So you have a bullish engulfment and also you have a bearish engulfment. So I'll show you how this looks, what is the logic behind it, what may happen, and we will take a look at charts as well. So make sure you watch the video till the end and don't miss out on anything so that you have complete understanding of this particular concept. So let's look at the theoretical part of this and on charts as well. So what you see on your screen are two different types of engulfment candlestick pattern. So engulfment is a concept, right? I want to show a reality. So basically the prior candle should be small and the next candle completely takes over the prior candle. This what you see is a bullish engulfment and what you see here is a bearish engulfment. So if you see here, the red candle is small compared to the green candle. So the sellers were in control in this candle. And this candle shows the power of buying control. So it would have started somewhere here. It can start anywhere lower also. And little price variation will always be there. An engulfment candlestick may look like this. So prices from below starts driving upwards. So this shows the power of buyers. If the trend is downwards and you see an engulfment, you can expect that the buyers are in control now. Now let's take a look at these two candles. So you may see this candle forming when the prices are moving up. So what this means is buyers were in control. So let's say the prices opened higher, but then the sellers took control and pushed the prices lower. So the low can also go towards these levels or below this. So what the whole concept is, it's engulfing the previous candle. If a red color is engulfed by a green candle, there is more bullishness to that particular movement. If a green color candle is engulfed by a red color candle, that means sellers have taken control over that particular time. So let's try to look at this on charts itself. So this is a chart showing you bullish engulfment pattern. So if you look at this candle right here, this is a big movement, right? So the prices here were completely taken over by the buyers. So buyers took control over the whole movement, engulfing this whole candle completely. So this is a little bit bigger movement. Logically, you can also consider this being a bullish engulfment pattern here. So the first typical bearish engulfment pattern that we can see is somewhere around here, right? So the prices ended in green here, but after that the prices opened higher and were pushed down. So this candle completely engulfed this candle here. So I hope you guys have understood what bullish engulfment or bearish engulfment is. The previous candle is going to be small. The second candle which is formed is going to be of the opposite color and larger. So what we can take from this is, in bullish engulfment, the buyers completely come in control and the prices can start moving up from there. Whereas in bearish engulfment, the sellers come in control. They have sold it and the prior candle is smaller, right? And we can expect the prices to fall from there. So I hope today you understood how a bullish engulfment and bearish engulfment work, and you've seen it theoretically, and plus I've shown it to you guys on chart. Make sure to try to search for these kind of patterns when you're trying to learn. So you will understand practically from your own experience what is actually happening, right? Also make sure you subscribe to Mostly Bearish. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Do comment your learnings and also share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this.